देखो सॉरी आप लोगों को ये सब कुछ देखने को नहीं मिलेगा मैं सिर्फ माफी मांग सकता हूँ
Such a good part of the video, which will be colonized by your dictatorial edit rule.
I will edit this video. मैं ये edit कर सकता हूँ.
Asha, okay, welcome back. I think we're normies number 14. We're not even sure what the number is, but 13 is yet to drop.
Yeah.
So yes, it's the cricketing season, and we are ushering in some good vibes. मैं हूं निराद्री. The normies today are Shayan, YouTuber, voiceover artist.
I'm not a YouTuber.
Funny man, improv.
Allegedly funny man. Let's call it that.
Improv personality, and the Count of Cunnilingus.
Count of Cunnilingus.
And with him is Rohan Cariappa.
I only
the
go for Cunnilingus at night. It's a very...
Okay. And with Shayan Bhattacharya is Rohan Cariappa, YouTuber, radio personality, and also someone who, if he is laughing, crazily in front of you, he's definitely inclined sexually to you. Yes, he is the viceroy of vaginas. All right, today, for all you viewers out there, the normies, Rohan and Shayan this evening, today are going to be reacting to funny, not funny, but cricketing moments. I rather say that.
And these are from which era?
Yeah.
Mixed, totally mixed. It
What's
comes.
the latest video?
Would be probably 2017 or 16, 17, 18. I
And
don't
the
know.
oldest one?
Probably 1980.
Acha.
Oh.
Okay. These things really shook the world, turned heads, and made a lot of people realize, like, oh my God, cricket is a game to be beckoned with. And yeah, by the way, do subscribe to this channel. Yeah, we get together from different parts of the city, 50 kilometers Rohan, 20 kilometers Shayan, just to keep you entertained. So please subscribe karo.
50 kilometers.
Yeah.
Mysore से ही आता है.
Yeah, subscribe karo. नहीं तो ये पिटेगा, Shayan पिटेगा. Subscribe नहीं करोगे.
Yes, then please do.
So we've got 9 videos. The point system is totally on me. I will decide only after the first question has been answered as to whether I give you 2 points, 1 point, half a point.
What?
Anything.
Niladri
at all.
sir.
Yeah.
You remember the last time you hosted an episode, right?
Correct.
K-pop, and things went a little crazy because you added your own little touch.
I think, is it going to be on similar lines?
Could be.
Yes.
Brace for
I
impact.
like it. I like it. It
Because
keeps
that's
things
how-
interesting. It keeps
Last question
things-
में 5 points का difference है, अगला question 6 point. Keep.
And up for grabs, we've got again a taste of Coorg. Okay, let me just quickly open it. We've got Chiroti.
Sir is really quick.
Coorg Chiroti.
Coorg Chiroti is that, no? वो मीठा वाला.
हाँ.
And we've got this awesome stuff. This is pretty exotic. It's bitter orange pickle.
Yeah.
And to
Whoa.
get all of this and more, all you've got to do is log on to www.tasteofcoorg.com.
Link in description.
Link in description and
Do
also
a radio voice to give an ad for this. No, do your radio voice.
tasteofcoorg.com for the best taste in nature.
That is.
Thank you.
I'll visit the washroom थोड़ा सा. Just a
Acha,
little,
okay.
यहाँ पे तकिया वकिया
Before we hit the first video, let me tell you, like back in Chennai, so we used to also have this ability in Chennai, especially then called Madras, that we would go and say that, sir, वो test match जो हो रहा है between West Indies and England, Lords पे उसका recording हो सकता है? हाँ हो सकता है, 20 रुपए लगेगा. We used to go back to our dad or our mom and we say 20 rupees for this. The VCR tape would come in about 3 months and we would see that match. Okay, this video was actually, my dad sponsored me to buy it. It was for 20 rupees back in 1981. It came 1 year after the
How
match.
do you remember all these years and
Because
match?
cricket
been
is,
correct.
is my one of my favorite games. So this is something that I wanted to watch.
I am appreciating your memory skills,
And he's
saying it will be incorrect. So
like-
just in case it's in your hand.
Yeah, like he said, no, my deductions are so right, but it's wrong at the end.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a video that I saw way back in 1981.
No balls. Toaster bowling to head. Short. Going for the hook. Loud appeal for caught behind. That went close to the glove. Derek Murray not very happy. Thrown in short by Croft, looking to hook Hadley, angling in towards him. The left-hander. The West Indies going up for the court behind.
It's a long video. Should we pause it?
This is what all the controversy's been about, similar incidents.
Wanted to watch it.
Umpire Fred Goodall, unmoved. Umpire Fred Goodall, we see moving down the wicket. Croft to Hadley. No ball called, wide down the leg side.
That's
11th no ball.
Hi.
New Zealand move on to 325.
स्टंप गिरा दिया ना बेल्स.
Things getting a little heated here. Colin Croft. Waiting umpire Fred Goodall. And the crowd responding with a little abuse for Colin Croft.
So you saw that video. This
Yes.
was an incident, I think 1980 it happened. It was West Indies versus New Zealand. Where greats like Sir Richard Hadley, who you saw him batting, he's actually one of
Yeah.
the greatest bowlers.
Yeah.
He appealed for a caught behind, but was not given. The second ball he comes
No
in
ball.
and he was told a no ball. And then while walking, very nonchalantly, he just bats the bails off
Right.
the stumps. How is Colin Croft's reply to what the umpire just did?
Okay.
So write down. How does Colin
जानता है क्या इस इंसिडेंट के बारे में?
How does Colin Croft,
Then how are you so sure?
what does he do next?
मैंने तो कुछ बिकॉज आई डोंट नो, तो अब मैं कुछ भी गेस कर सकता हूँ ना.
ये कैसे
what
पता
does
होगा?
Colin Croft do next? बस वही लिखना है.
See, in ads and all, if I tell you to guess that, that's because you know this is leading up to somewhere. It's a real incident. What happened?
So
after
feel
that?
the game, Shine. Feel the game. दो बार no ball कर दिया है. It is a time in the 1980s. There was a lot of black versus white. All this. They're playing against a white country. This is against New Zealand. What
Fiddled
is
with the umpire's balls. Like this. He checked how many balls left in the over. Umpire hesitated. He felt it and said 2 balls left.
दो टट्टे बाकी है. बस.
बोल दो.
हाँ, आप बता.
He went a little ahead of his popping crease and he bowled a bouncer to the batsman like it's a no ball but by a huge margin.
Okay. रोहन.
तो उसने पॉपिंग क्रीज के पीछे से बॉलिंग किया और बाउंसर मारा है ऑन द हेड.
अच्छा, we both agree on that bouncer ही मारा होएगा.
हाँ,
Popping
क्योंकि
crease
फील
को
द गेम बोला तो मैं बाउंसर ऑब्वियसली एक वेस्ट इंडियन तो पॉपुलर थे ना.
So I will decide on the point system after you see the result in one week.
Right.
This is what Colin
High
Croft does.
suspense.
So basically none of us are correct. So he hit the umpire, but I think did he?
Deliberately close.
Oh, he called off the match.
He hit the umpire, और वो umpire like poor fucker man.
भाई दिस वाज वेरी गुड, बट क्या इंटेलिजेंट था भाई. लेकिन ये
Colin Croft moving in to bowl to
तो
Richard
मैं जब ये 1981 में देखा,
हाँ, hold on. 1 second. You just watch it again.
very close to Fred Goodall and in fact struck him on his way through the bowl. A deliberate action, obviously.
Okay.
oh
so as much as you guys were thinking that it is against
Directed
the
towards the
batsman,
batsman,
it was directed towards the umpire,
Umpire.
because I was telling you he got a no ball and
Correct.
he was not. He appealed. He didn't get a caught behind.
Correct.
So fortunately or unfortunately, for the very first time in the Normie series,
None of us get.
nobody gets a point. It's at 0-0. It's never happened
Let's-
there's a 0-0 score to start off with. So Rohan and Shine, remember this is all about observation.
It's gonna be tough today.
It's all about
Yeah.
observation, and it's all about
it's
craziness.
not about how can we observe this. How can you
नहीं यार ठीक है, चलो
You
we
have
can
to
still
feel it
say
ना,
कि हाँ.
रोहन, कि 2 नो बॉल दे दिया 1980 की
अभी
बात
क्या
है.
आर्ग्यूमेंट करके तू पॉइंट तो नहीं ले
सही बात
सकता.
है.
और तू जीता गया नहीं. आर्ग्यू भी कर लिया तो यू विल नॉट विन.
Correct.
So I think we should let go.
Yeah,
I don't
please
think
play
that-
video number 2A.
Okay.
And I'll give you the question right away. Why are the English cricketers laughing?
I know this.
That's the funniest thing I've seen for a long time. Now, how many of you picked this up? Watch this. Andrew Strauss gets.
I know this.
Write it down.
Why are they laughing?
Why are they laughing?
He was the short leg fielder was about to be hit and he leaned back.
No. So this was, I think, South African team, South Africa versus England, जिसमें कैलिस का होता है ये, या किसी प्लेयर का, कि वो ऐसे फेंकने जाता है तो उसका चश्मा ऐसे उड़ता है एंड देन वो जब फेंकता है तो चश्मे पे जाके लगता है, तो वो सनग्लासेस शैटर्ड.
अच्छा, सनग्लास शैटर हुआ था इसमें.
Hit video 2B.
It's a. The ball. Here we go. Now look at it. Look at this. Magnificent. Can't bowl the next delivery.
Oh, that's England.
हाँ.
Too much of a lens.
South Africa, I just
एंड्रू स्ट्रॉस. हाँ, सही है.
So 1 point
अच्छा,
only one.
to Rohan Kariappa.
That much of explanation to do, and मेरी knowledge.
Maybe if you had told the country correctly.
England and South Africa.
You said Callis ने किया था.
वो गलत हो गया.
Maybe then you would have got 2
1
points.
point to Rohan Kariappa, and
Very nice.
Shine is yet to get
Open
his account,
account.
rolling.
Loses points virginity.
Observation is key in the next video. Video number 3.
आँख फाड़ के देख रहा हूँ.
Inside edge and now big trouble. All sorts of trouble. Turunga has to be gone. No. What has happened there? That is extraordinary. It ends up being no run. Michael Clark has had a ping at the stumps with his bowler in the way. That is an extraordinary occurrence.
Why did it float so far? Why did it miss Watson? And then what is that? Oh, middle of middle. It was going to hit the middle of the medial garbage.
Crazy incident, don't you think?
ऐसे moments लेकिन IPL में काफी होते हैं.
Yes, there was one between Rajasthan Royals.
There was,
हाँ, एक वो ad में दिखाता
there
है
was,
ना.
हाँ,
हाँ.
वो भी
there was one with CSK where Dhoni is just standing and they
Yeah,
couldn't
yeah,
get him
yeah.
run out and they kept Shadab Jakati कोई player था.
Shadab Jakati,
Yeah, and they were just the ball. It was a simple run out and they just made a fuck out of
Mess
it.
of
Yeah.
So बहुत सारे incidents होते हैं cricket में, and that's the beauty of the game because.
How are you as a player?
This is how I am as a player though.
Like
This
Michael
is-
Clark,
this is-
but
yeah.
only for the 15 seconds that we've seen.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you how I am as a player. In fact, I came across this and I sent
वही
it to you
बताएंगे
on
जो
the
एक
group.
बार वो रेडियो स्टेशन को नहीं आ रहा था.
So when Rohan was playing for another radio station and he was in the non-strikers end and there were about 12 runs to get to victory or 14 runs, and there was a very good state player that was batting and he's also a radio jockey and
You dismissed him.
Abhishek Tiwari, who's
I told the
Yeah,
end.
the suspense is over.
Yeah,
It
so
did not let you build up. So
he just gave me the ball and he said, "Why don't you give it a try?" And I came in a bowl and I got him bowl middle stump and we won. And
this incident in Niladri sir is what Pakistan के लिए वो ICC Champions Trophy है ना. Like after every loss, अरे Champions Trophy में किस नहीं आ रहा है यहाँ? It's like that to you. Every time we have a debate
Or this
about cricket,
this incident is also Bangalore as a city's defense to every problem that Bangalore has.
See?
Weather तो अच्छा है ना पर. Weather अच्छा है कि नहीं?
that's it.
Okay, what is the question?
Name the brand on the Empire's jersey. Gotcha.
I was concentrating on the action. I thought
Exactly. That's a decoy. I told you.
non-strikers का नाम पूछोगे मेरे को ऐसा वैसा लगा.
हाँ, उपुल तरंगा.
तरंगा. Batting असंगा करा कर रहा था ना.
वो पता नहीं, मैं वही guess करता लेकिन.
अच्छा, आप लिखो. Look at the jersey. Giving you a hint.
नहीं, don't give.
Phone company. It is a phone company.
It's
I'll tell you. Emirates.
Fly Emirates.
Fly Emirates. Very nice.
2-0 to Rohan Kariappa.
Observation. यार एक भी के लिए मेरे को 2 point नहीं मिला यार. निलाद्री
He observed well. I have to give it to Rohan. He observed well.
Okay, all right. So we are done with that. Video
नहीं
number
पता था
4 is.
निलाद्री सर एक के लिए तो 2 point दो कभी यार.
यार ये तो अजीब.
देगा.
अच्छा, he has an explanation before the video.
Okay, in the 4th video that you're going to see, it's actually a very funny incident which happened. You see the video, and the questions will come after that. So
Observational or,
everything is observational.
Watchman. Yeah, goodness me. He's picked up none for this. Now, this is probably one of the most funny things you'll ever see in Test cricket history. The people are laughing all around because he's smashed that 70 yards and hasn't been able to move an inch. Well he's looks in trouble. I thought the scream was from the short leg fielder. Suddenly I saw the ball racing to square leg. He hasn't moved his legs at all. Shifted once and it knocked him on the head. Yeah. He said enough. This was amazing. This is like the front line in a battlefield. Haven't seen something like this. This is hilarious, man. Thank you,
That sound itself.
That's the sound Rohan makes when he has an orgasm.
That's everybody in a gym, by the way. हाँ, आप ही जाते हो जिम.
हम लोग ऐसा नहीं करते
करते हैं वहाँ पे लोग. आप वही तो पोस्ट करते रहते हो.
वो आप ऐसे करते ऐसा करके कोई जिम में नहीं. Never seen. I don't know which gym you are going to. But
I so wish I was sitting over there when he made that comment, because it would have been roast finale. Like, kaun karta hai aise? In this video, what makes the batsman fall in the way he did?
Hamstring pull.
हाँ, same hamstring.
His balls burst. His answer is balls burst, guys.
Both wrong answers.
Groin injury.
Okay, now I will give you one more shot at this.
Calf.
Which batsman are we talking about here? Whoever gets this will get.
मैं शक्ल देखा था. He's not Stephen Fleming. He's a left-handed Kiwi batsman.
Whoever gets this will get 2 points. But if Rohan gets it wrong, he will lose that 1 point that he has.
2 points he has.
Yeah. So he's at 2. So he'll lose that 2. I'm giving you 2.
I don't want to answer this. ठीक है ना?
So you lose that 2 then. So you tell me.
ये क्यों मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो यार? I've been so good to you.
The point section
नहीं बिल्कुल.
for me it is a little different because it has to be competitive.
See, I don't argue with Niladri. When he makes a rule, I just go with it. क्या हुआ इनको?
That they are just playing. That don't worry about it.
They are protesting against
the
your
point system.
injustice.
Okay.
Hey,
So
this is
the name.
too much, I think.
Matthew Sinclair.
Now you have to answer.
But what if he doesn't answer at all?
हाँ.
In his defense.
Yeah.
Then he has to take this camera and leave. That's how it works.
I can guess the surname.
अच्छा अभी तो वो
Cricketer's name. What do you mean?
Vincent.
Both of you are wrong, which brings the score back to 0-0 after
अबे यार.
after 4
Niladri
questions.
sir, what are you doing?
hold on अच्छा give अच्छा
Mark Richardson is the name of the
What
batsman.
are you doing? But ये rule ही ठीक
And
नहीं है
this
यार.
is how it rolls to make it more competitive. So
Why?
After 4
that's
videos.
because of your that's karma. Let's just blame it on karma.
Yeah. So after 4 videos, खाता नहीं खोला है 0-0.
They are both playing bad is what I think. I mean, if somebody switched on the video from this point, it's logical to assume they are both playing bad. The score is 0-0. अच्छा क्या इंजरी क्या हुआ था? Calf.
Cramps.
So cramps तो वही तो है.
Hamstring.
Hamstring pull is a muscle tear.
No.
A cramp is when your body is lack of salt and obviously
Exactly,
lack of sugar.
hamstring
What
वही
is
है.
Hamstring, when it gets pulled, you walk back to the pavilion and you can't come back and
No,
play. But what happened to a colleague of ours when we were playing
एक मिनट.
the
Niladri sir,
RPL?
Can I have raised
give me your phone. Niladri sir, phone.
There is
to
no
do.
talk.
I have raised my hand. Okay, we are done with we are not changing the
Any
points.
doctors watching this, tell me whether cramps is similar to a hamstring
Can I-
tear, because a hamstring tear takes you
Hamstring
out of
tear किसने
action.
बोला?
हाँ,
Hamstring
first-
pull बोला
Even a
हमने.
hamstring pull takes you off for a good 2 to 3 weeks.
अरे
A
यार.
cramp will make sure that you come back in probably 15 minutes if you have the right amounts of salt and sugar.
Cramps is the reason for the muscle
Hamstring.
getting cramped and pulled. Cramps is the reason you're having cramps, which results in the muscle shortening and getting pulled. Is what I think.
Like
it is.
for example, अगर सर लग जाता है, so that is the
Good.
reason for
So
concussion.
now
तो
the
उसको आप ये नहीं
fifth-
बोलोगे ना.
the fifth video is
ये क्या है लेकिन यार?
something.
This is
I think Niladri is seeing
I-
reason in our explanation, and he's moved on.
There is no reason in the
See, but
explanation.
I
If
respect-
any orthopedic is listening to this, you'll know.
Niladri sir, okay, wait. If after we shoot this video and this proves out to be untrue कि cramps और hamstring pull same होते हैं, अगर ये true prove हो गया and we are proven right, you will place a camera and say sorry to Shine and Rohan, please
That's your
accept my
name.
sincere.
He forgot his own name. He was so excited in wanting to insult you. He forgot.
Yeah.
Shine
And Rohan, I
Ro-
love you so
Rohan.
much. Why is everything a deal? It's like you're some Mexican fucking
No,
cartel guy.
We'll do that now, but because I have lost 2 points
See,
for this
it's, I'll tell you.
ridiculous.
I'll tell you what.
It's
We are telling the
2
light.
minus 2.
We are telling the light went off. You are saying, you are assuming we said the light went off because of a power cut, while the answer is the light went off because of somebody has switched off the
Huh.
switch.
But the final is-
final action is the same.
So, since we are reviewing cricket, and you know that when you dispute with the umpire, you can get disqualified. And
I am
since
okay with it. I am okay
good
with
boy.
it. I am okay with it.
Good boy.
I think, yeah. Let's respect.
नहीं वो नहीं है.
Only got one seam on the field. Oh yes.
That's a big shot to tender.
Not when we had Cape Town and we had a full seamer attack.
Very big
Got
shot.
one seamer, now all of a sudden you got big mouth.
Oh yes, Pochi! Yeah, boy!
I'm not gonna get out now because I think he might be averaging in a single figures this turn. And all we do is change him as well. Yes, Pochi. Hey? What are you averaging? You must know your average. 9, 10? Oh yes.
Yes!
9 or 10. I think it's 9.
Watching out now, Bodge!
9.5, so we'll give you 10. 9.5, so we'll give you 10.
How can you play when the keeper as good as Mark Boucher?
Okay, so that's not the question. मैं तो secret रख के बैठा था कि मेरे को
Bowler, batsman, keeper, तीनों पता है.
हाँ.
No, the keeper is Mark Boucher. Everybody knows him. I mean, come on. I mean, he's one of the greatest keepers of South Africa. But how can one bat when someone is being so humorous?
You would know. You play against me.
You,
No, humorous.
Oh, sorry. I missed that part. I missed that part.
Rohan will keep on sledging everywhere. Rohan in a school library.
yeah.
Him and his friend
Yesterday-
both reading the same chapter. He just continues to sledge his friend. क्या पढ़ रहा है? लौड़े पढ़ना आता तेरे को लौड़े? पढ़ सकता है?
Was then when we played in front of our friend's house on the road.
Yeah.
We were playing cricket. Or you were also there. He was standing right behind me, keeping, and I'm batting, and he's telling me, "Pressure हो रहा है, sir. Pressure है, pressure है कि क्या है?" This thing. I said, "Cock your fucking own, shut up." And then Rakesh said, "Murder him, bhai. Just murder him."
Okay, what is the question here?
What is the brand of alcohol that has been advertised on the T-shirt?
अरे
0-0 scoreline है.
उतना ही रहेगा.
हाँ, ये मुझे भी कोई आइडिया नहीं है.
एक और प्ले कर सकते हैं.
नहीं.
ये क्या चुतिया? फिर तो पता चल दोनों को पता चल जाएगा.
Since both of you don't know what is your answer.
हाँ और
Why did you shut off the music in an effort
ऐसी
to play the video?
Cheating मत करो.
अरे मैंने कुछ नहीं किया.
Disqualify कर दूंगा मैं.
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया.
First time normies में it'll be walkover.
Oh भाई. नीलाद्री सर इज अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ फर्स्ट टाइम्स. नीलाद्री इसलिए बिजार कर देते हैं ताकि मुझे वो बोलने को मिले कि मेरी बारी में ऐसा हुआ था.
अच्छा, my answer it has got something to do with the number 3.
ओल्ड मॉन्क. या अब मेरे को वही आता है भाई. आई डोंट नो. एक सेकंड.
अच्छा, so once it comes out of
Once it comes out of your ass.
yeah, so
आपका क्या है?
all right, see now.
3 वर्ड्स क्या होता है? आप अपना
Three,
आंसर बताओ तो.
I said something to do with the number 3.
So both of you got it wrong.
Of course.
Old Monk will not sponsor a South
Of course,
African
yeah.
team, and
Yeah.
3 बोल के कोई
McDowell's.
ब्रांड ही नहीं होता.
दैट्स अ गुड गेस. मेरे दिमाग में आता मैं.
Glenlivet.
Now here's the deal, right?
अब वापिस माइनस मत करना यार. इस बार सिर्फ उसका माइनस होगा जो पहले से 0 में बैठा हुआ है ना. दिस इज गुड. इक्वल्स.
Since both of you got it wrong, who scored the first point in this entire normal?
I did.
So you become -1 and you are at 0. So that's how the score goes. Now, video number 6, I would like to bring to your attention. No, you can still win. you can still win. -1 to 0, it's a great scoreline.
I
Okay.
agree with that.
Okay?
I agree with
Okay?
that.
It's नहीं क्या नहीं हो पा रहा है?
myself भाई यहाँ पे.
नहीं, see,
Next
I was
time
so
you-
excited. वो वीडियो में कैप्चर हुआ होगा. मैंने ऐसे मैंने I was like that. Oh shit, मेरे को लगा you're awarding a point कि हाँ तेरे तूने पहले स्कोर किया.
नहीं आपका -point हो गया because you landed first. So because yeah. So anyway, now I want you to watch.
Because yeah is the reason.
I want you to watch.
Whose name begins with R here? -1. What? Just make these kind of rules when you are judging next time.
Yes.
And Nilad is sitting here. Just random.
But उसकी जरूरत नहीं
So
पड़ती ना
you
यार.
ask the
वो मौका ही नहीं दिया नीलाद्री सर ने कि हम भी ऐसे रूल्स बनाए.
Today में I was 4-0 when I said मैं निकलूँ यहाँ से because there
then,
was no
that
point.
was a good
ये
fight.
नीलाद्री
But
सर, why are you giving me minus after minus without any?
अरे-
-3 दे चुके बिना बात के.
see, it is the karma. It is the. I'm telling you.
For
It is the,
scoring first 2 points.
no, it is the karma of
No.
you. How you treat Niladri's pets.
If you get the next question right,
Then you get 7
0-0.
points.
It becomes 0-0.
And then उसका अगला
If,
minus
but if
20.
it's 0-0, but if I get it, I might score 2. I don't know. I'm just saying.
Could be.
Could be.
Could be.
Could be. It's about being a nice person in the end. Everything is about. At the end, nobody is going. When you go up, is God going to ask you how many normies have you won?
Yeah.
He's going to ask you, are you a nice person or not?
Ask yourself.
Ask yourself.
Between the both of you, who treats Bebo better? Shine.
Bebo is, by the way, Niladri's dog. Not Kareena Kapoor को कौन better treat करता है. That will be really
I
odd.
will.
Good.
Acha,
my
I want you guys to. He's been one of my biggest idols.
Tino Best.
no. So I used to get up.
Whale whore बोला ना उसने अपने आप को बुक में अपने.
Hey, what is the answer though of the beer वाला? वो नहीं बताया आपने?
Castle Lager.
Castle
वो
Lager.
तो मैं लाइफ में नहीं सुना.
हाँ.
So yeah. So Castle Lager was the answer. So
South Africa has
so
4
this
forts से castle हो सकता था.
so this gentleman, I used to follow him like how?
On Instagram.
No, there was no Instagram.
Oh,
Okay.
is that Mukta?
Mukta's dad.
Are we talking about Mukta by any chance? Because when you say
Mukta's-
following and madly, I just have one name in my mind.
I'm talking about 1976.
Mukta's
onwards.
mom.
नहीं
क्यों?
ऐसे मत बोलो ना यार.
तो he's
मैंने नहीं
following
बोला.
her. I'm not abusing
अच्छा.
anybody's mom. Hey, I'm seeing her mom as beautiful.
Following.
Huh.
Okay, can I just give the introduction?
Why would Mukta, the lady artist, why would she be offended if I say that Niladri back in his days, he was a fan of her, even as an actress?
I think Mukta won't mind Niladri sir.
And you may be wrong about how the point system is going to evolve as we go
I
forward.
seriously think it was uncalled for. It was uncalled for. It was unprofessional, uncouth. In fact, some people might go out to the extent of saying uncouth.
Acha, so can I just give you an
अगला
introduction?
मैं बस I'm just waiting for one moment. जब मैं सही आंसर देके -2. But that's the only thing that has not happened
Yeah.
in this episode.
I
This
didn't
is
like the way you looked at me when you answered me.
Yeah. For the first time, you're getting a minus point for the right answer only.
Okay, number 7 click करूँ.
Wait, you've
Number
not
6.
even allowed me to give
Okay,
an
sorry.
introduction. So this guy was everyone's mentor. He was everyone's idol back from. I started watching him probably at 76. His first innings was at the Sabina Park, and his first innings score was 20. In the second innings, he got it for 0, and then they moved to the next Test match. He got 1, and in the first innings, and in the second innings, he got 32.
Sadagopan Ramesh.
And then in the third Test match, he got 147, and that's how great he is. He just keeps
Failing
and
most of the times. And then
I
once
think you'll take your words back once you watch the videos. To watch.
I am just letting
video-
you know before we start. Rohan just insulted your favorite idol cricketer.
Sixth. हाँ.
Bruce Reid to Gavaskar. It's gone in the air and Reid gets a hand to it, but it goes down. So both batsmen have had a chance, had a life in the first 4 overs. Ray Bright is the bowler, Gavaskar takes strike. Beautiful straight. That's been one of the features of this morning for me, Frank, the placement. Some of the balls have gone to the fielders, but in general they're splitting the field beautifully. toss again. There've been a lot of full tosses out there this
Oh,
morning.
wow, he flicked the ball from outside the off stump.
What a cricketer, what a batsman. Short clip, like cricketing moments cannot be 1 minuters, but
Like your first video? हाँ.
the first video I wanted you to feel what Colin Croft was actually doing.
That's right.
Okay,
Okay, cool.
right.
Acha,
That's
bolo.
My question to the both of you is,
What is his buy's name? घर पे वो
no,
क्या
but
बुलाते
I think you both might crack it. I want you both to actually write this down.
Okay.
An incident took place in the hospital when Sunny Gavaskar was born.
I know this.
Oh, I don't know this.
What was it? Rohan gets it right. He gets back to 0-0.
Thank you, Niladri sir. Appreciate it. The intensity of minus points have been increasing.
Huh, cool.
Bolo?
He was exchanged by mistake with somebody else's.
Absolutely right.
He was exchanged fishermen के साथ exchange हो गए थे.
Absolutely right. Now, here's the dilemma. Damn. So here's how it is. As fair as I am, I will stick to the deal that Rohan gets out from the minus point, becomes 0. But since Shine was also right, he's 1-0. So now, video number 7 has been called as the most ugliest moment in cricketing
I
history.
know. I think yeah, ये मुझे पता है.
Okay, I would like you to see it, and then
Ugliest moment तो एक ही है. I'm pretty sure.
then I will ask you a question about it.
कौन सा है?
वही होगा शायद. नहीं ये वो नहीं है जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ.
No, this is not the ugliest moment. मैंने भी नहीं देखा कभी ये तो.
Sullivan Ben at it again. Seem to be saying, well, you're in Barbados now, this is my territory. The ball squared up, off stump knocked back.
बहुत सही है
Dale
बॉल.
Steyn wasn't too sure what had happened there for a moment.
This is not the ugliest. The
Sorry?
ugliest incident would be that
कुछ ही तो
underarm
नहीं
ball.
कुछ ही तो नहीं हुआ, सिर्फ बातचीत हुआ है. हाँ.
So he went past, Dale Steyn went
Yeah.
past Suleiman Ben, and you saw what happened. It's not evident in the video because I've not put the other angle.
Not sure.
My question to you both is, what does Dale Steyn do to Suleiman Ben after being dismissed that became such a huge uproar in the cricketing field?
First anal sledging ever happened. And that's not mean sex. It's that Dale Steyn whispered something to his anus. Suleiman Ben still doesn't know it, but his anus knows. That's what I'm saying. I'm not talking about anal sex.
one second, let me just put this across to everybody who's watching this video. Shine yesterday sent a couple of common friends this screenshot.
Day before yesterday,
a screenshot about how much the human anus can actually stretch. Apparently, the human anus can stretch for 7 inches.
Correct.
And, you
Before
and
being-
also the additional information was you can fit 2 raccoons in
two
it.
raccoons, because raccoons get into 3 inches space.
4 inches.
4 inches
So
space.
almost 2 raccoons. Not
Yeah.
you can't. If you don't try to fit 2 raccoons,
Yeah, just the
fit
tail-
one and then fit something else like
No,
a
no,
snake
you
or
can
something.
fit 2 raccoons, the tail of the raccoon will be popping out of your ass. And you just walk around like Santa Claus, just pull it out and give it to as a gift.
Yeah.
So anus is something which has been in
That
his
would
mind
be a
for the
pretty
last-
wet raccoon, yeah.
Yeah.
Little greasy if
Stop
you look
it.
at it.
The way
I
you're
don't think Santa would want to gift that to someone.
What does Dale Steyn do?
anal dipped raccoon. Imagine on a restaurant menu.
Yeah.
What are your specials? So we have raccoon dipped in special anal sauce. I'm sorry, what?
And then-
Raccoon dipped in anal sauce, sir.
And then mall में नहीं
Marinated.
होता था फाउंटेन चलता रहता चॉकलेट
Ah,
अरे
That's a chocolate fondue.
yeah, so you just dip a raccoon and you know that's not chocolate. Obviously, that information you already have. If you sign up. for
What
it.
does Dale Steyn do to Suleiman Ben after being dismissed, or rather, when you saw in the video after he walks past him?
But you want an exact word to word sledge.
Not a word. What does he do? I'm not asking, hey, tell me what the bad word he said. I'm not saying that. What
Did you
does
think-
he do?
Did you
What
also
does he
have
do?
that
I
same
was
confusion?
हाँ, कि racial
मैं-
abuse
how
किया
can
है.
मैं वही
How
Racial abuse किया है.
how can I ask you what the sledge is? That's unfair.
ठीक है.
But there is
I
a-
think unfair तो आप चल जाता है आपके साथ. जहाँ तक मेरे को अभी इस एपिसोड में दिख रहा है, I don't think you have a huge problem with unfair. ठीक है.
आप बताओ, Roman, you start off first and Shine can read off his paper.
हाँ, तो ऐसे दिखाया.
He showed his dick, like
Yeah.
like fuck you.
हाँ.
Can you?
Hits him with the bat, nudges him, fondles him with the bat.
You're at 0 and he's at 1.
Yeah.
Right.
So the score now is 0-1.
मतलब हम दोनों का पॉइंट कटा?
आपका भी पॉइंट कटा?
नहीं, आपका 2 कटा शायद, मैं
नहीं, मेरा 1 कटा है, तेरा
इट्स लाइक दैट ना, तो शायन का 2 कटा, मैं वहीं पर।
नहीं, so 0 Shine, -1 Rohan, because you were both at 0-1.
What's the right answer?
I was 1-0.
He spat at Suleiman Ben.
But
So
spat
Dale
him at
Steyn
him.
just goes back and he just spits at him like
Shit.
fuck you, like you're a pillar. I don't give a shit like who you are. And that's probably one of the first time I kind of lost respect for Dale Steyn, because I thought he was a firepower of a bowler. But the way he treated Suleiman Ben for just getting emotional with his game, I don't think that's something that you put
But you
on the
don't
field.
know what Suleiman Ben might have told Dale Steyn.
Suleiman Ben was continuously saying, I'm the big man, I'm going to get you man. You know how the West Indies are. They get on you, but they are just...
That's something that you are guessing.
I'm not guessing. When you see the video, the commentators will say...
जैसे जिस तरीके से उन्होंने मान बोला ना,
The
Commentators are
commentators-
also guessing.
Yeah, how
The
will
com-
they, how
they
will
picked
commentators
it.
know?
So Suleiman
मैं
Ben
सो
is-
ये मैं सवाल ये
So
है,
Sume-
commentator जो है वो
Suleiman Ben is a
commentator जो हैं वो commentate
Is it 0-2 now? Huh?
Suleiman Ben is a spinner, and therefore whatever he sledges comes obviously in his run-up, which is closer to the mic. And therefore, most of his sledge has been picked up.
No,
I agree to
पीछे-
it. I think I am with you from now on.
Yeah. So we are at now...
0-1.
But do you want to change it?
I
Ultimate
think-
power तो आपकी है. I am with you, Niladri sir.
I am also with you. I am also with you.
But he was doing this.
I
I will play that again in the video if you want to. अभी edit
There was
करके
a-
वो दिखा दूंगी.
And therefore, most of his sledge has been picked up. There was a sense of hostility.
हाँ हाँ थोड़ा सा तो था. There was a
but
little
when
bit.
when
You
we
know
were
what?
writing,
जब
okay,
जब
my-
आप explanation
in my defense, my honor, in my defense, my honor, एक ही चीज बोल रहे बार बार. जब ये लिख रहे
ऐसे
थे,
कर रहे थे ऐसे ऐसे.
रोहन was saying, unjust तो आपके वीडियो में काफी, I think you are okay with injustice. ऐसा रोहन ने बोला था.
That's because you have the ultimate power.
He called
That's
you
because you have the ultimate power.
unjust. Like if you are a ruler, he compared you to
are the-
Aurangzeb.
No.
Or
You
Genghis
have
Khan.
Power. You have
Oh my
power.
goodness,
That meant
Genghis Khan
you
is called
are
you.
like the dictator of normies react. You rule us.
Genghis Khan.
दोनों को -1 स्कोर अभी -1 पे है.
Hey,
हाँ,
hold
हाँ,
on,
सही
hold
है,
on.
सही है,
-1,
सही है, correct,
-2 in that
बिल्कुल
case.
correct.
No,
नहीं.
-1.
-1.
The rebellion started from you first.
Yes.
The sarcasm started from him.
Yeah.
For me, rebellion is
हाँ, तो-
way more heavier than sarcasm.
Answer is
sarcasm
-1,
is a
-1.
point of view. Rebellion is a movement.
इस दुनिया में कुछ भी हो रहा है.
Go off. So in case it's a matter of throwing, he's got
मैंने
that
50 बार देखा है ये क्लिप मैंने. There's nothing you can't ask. जो
Here
मेरे
we go, last ball through the outside, it's running through, could be run out. Is he run out? Or is he in?
Bangladesh, no?
We'll go upstairs. Some good work from Downey. He thinks he's got him. Bear with me, gentlemen. Decision pending.
Very famous
Yes,
game.
this is my favorite.
Yeah, one of the best
cricket
games.
clip.
Dhoni strategizing, taking out one glove so he can actually run and stump the guy. I mean, Dhoni is Dhoni, man. He's fucking genius. There's a very famous watch branding on the scoreboard at the end of the game.
मेरे को लगता है कि मेरे को आ गया है.
Which watch?
ऐसा सवाल आ जाता है.
Which watch branding are we talking about? See, I know both of you are cricket lovers, and so am I. And I know if I ask you a cricket pertaining question, you guys will get it. So this is how I want to decoy this entire series, so that you guys really think and observe when you watch the game of cricket.
आपको नहीं पढ़ नहीं पाओगे, लेकिन जब मैं आपको दिखा, अगर बोलने के बाद जब मैं
No. You just
बोल मेरे को एक बार कान में बोल.
कौन सा?
यार मैं वही तो बोल रहा हूँ, नहीं पढ़ पाओगे यार मेरी
What's the
handwriting.
spelling?
Thank you नीलाद्री सर, that is
With
I really
it starts
respect.
with T. It starts with T.
नीलाद्री सर, मेरे आंसर से आप हिंट क्यों बनाते हो?
I'm telling you.
Titan.
I'm not going to do anything with your points. This was something that Karan Johar was a brand ambassador to. So it's definitely not Titan or what you've written as Timex.
Okay.
एक और hint देता हूँ यार.
हाँ जी, दे
You
दो.
can always edit the timeline.
Okay.
The watch brand starts with the letter H.
Hemoglobin.
हाँ,
Kidding.
I know it. मेरे को एक तो पता है मुझे. एक नाम तो आ गया मेरे दिमाग में.
Tag Heuer.
Tag Heuer.
Tag Heuer.
Hugo Boss.
That's
Underwear.
That's perfume
Un-
and apparel.
But you had watches.
Yeah,
That's
but
not
this
the
is
right
this is a proper watch
Achha, that's
company.
not the right answer. ठीक.
So the reply that I was looking for was none other than Hublot. Hublot.
Oh shit, yeah.
Hublot.
Now, what do I do? Both of you at -1. What do I do?
I petted your cat. Your cat came to me to be petted.
अभी किसके साथ है?
So-
अभी किसके साथ है? See, she's so.
अभी ये देखो.
ये देखो,
ये देखो नीलाद्री.
ये देखो, ये देखो.
ये देखो.
Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? Since both of you are so loving to my pets,
हाँ.
from -1, both of you at 0-0. All right. Whoever gets the final video,
उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Whoever-
आप 10-10 रखो, -10
No, it will
रखो.
be. It will be easier. It will be a better score line to show -1, -2 me being the winner or you being the winner -1 than 0-1.
हाँ.
we come down to the final video. Both of you are at
Minus
0-0.
test.
If whoever gets this right is all outright winner.
Or it can be the loser. You never know. You might change it.
Depends on the behavior.
Yeah.
Watch video number 9.
Have a very, very solid bowling lineup.
Where is he scratching?
Phillips hooking in the air. Yadav going back at mid-on, and he's under it. So the first wicket has fallen. Kapil Dev picking up Wayne Phillips with the bouncer. And that was a well-taken catch. Oh, and he's got him. Might have been a bit of inside edge there. Warner, I think, was looking for the one.
The great Haryana Hurricane, Kapil Dev Nikhanj, one of the biggest players that India has.
मैं ना भूल
produced.
जाऊंगा वो जो 2 बैट्समैन के नाम है ना. फटाफट क्वेश्चन पूछ लो एक बार. मैं बार रिपीट कर रहा हूँ मन में. वो हरिकेन के बाद मैं एक का फर्स्ट नेम भूल गया.
He also did Palmolive the Jawab Nahi, an ad.
This is the first time your pets are chilling with us while we are shooting the videos.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, they're getting good vibes from the host of the normies.
And that's why they're sitting with the normies.
With the normies.
Okay, tell me, the question क्या है?
अब तो मैं भूल ही गया. अब बात कर लो.
No introductions needed to the bowler that you saw. Kapil Dev Nikhanj, one of the greatest, got us the first World Cup.
Right.
Fantastic player. What are his best bowling figures in Test match?
Oh भाई.
I told you at the very
You could
beginning
have-
of the show. It's
you could
GK,
have-
it's
आप एक
observation.
काम कर
Just
सकते थे ना?
showed his
Google
picture.
से डाउनलोड कर लो पिक्चर. हमें दिखा दो आप.
हाँ. अगर was it this match where he got the most number of
No,
wickets?
the best wicket when he took his best got his best bowling figure, it was in Ahmedabad, and the entire world press came and said Kapil Dev. Nobody at that point of time had taken that many wickets in a Test match, and I'm not talking about 2 innings together. I'm talking about 1 inning.
लिख लो. मैंने अपना लिख दिया है.
I
एंड व्हाट इफ इसमें क्लोज रहेंगे तो कोई चांस है? ये एग्जैक्ट फिगर चाहिए आपको.
I like, because it's unfair to actually tell you to get close and that. Therefore, give me the number of wickets and give me the number of runs he took it for, and I'll deduce and make the average, and I'll figure it out.
74 for 7.
You want me to give you any hints?
नहीं, अब तो बोल
अब
दिया.
इसका तो बोलो.
8 for 63.
You won it.
आप जीते, आप जीते.
No, इसमें तू जीता है.
ना.
Because he said after me, would you want any hints? So he's 8 wickets is his best.
यार लेकिन आपका ना मेरे को सुनने में लगा कि सही है. आई थिंक
किसी
वर्ल्ड
और-
कप का वो
किसी
नहीं.
और बॉलर का
ये वर्ल्ड कप के बेस्ट फिगर्स हो सकते हैं.
Try and
Pass it on to Rohan.
pass it on to Rohan. Rohan wins 1-0.
व्हाट्स द
What's the
आंसर?
answer?
9 for 83.
9 for 83. अच्छा,
Nine.
because he, हाँ. Shit.
Because he's closer. He said 8 wickets. You
ओ
said
भाई
7
दिस
wickets.
वाज सरप्राइजिंग. आपने एक भी सवाल सही नहीं दिया.
हाँ.
बट फिर भी कितना क्लोज मैच रहा. ये तो हम
I would say that Rohan is the just winner. If I had won it, it would have been an unjust win. That I would accept.
See, that's how I have devised this entire normies, that I will definitely fuck around with you guys, but I'll make sure it's fair play at the end. So what do you think about...
if Shayan had answered this, who were you going to give it to? This sample. Tell me.
What if I had said 74 for 8? I was right.
8 for, 8
हाँ,
for
तो आप जीतते
74.
फिर.
8
हाँ.
for 74.
I don't know why I did not do. I knew कि अगर मैं ज़्यादा wickets दूँ, it would have been closer. And 7 wickets people would have taken. I
So
don't know why.
the first time a bowler took 9 for 83 was Kapil Dev. The next time that someone actually excessed that was Anil Kumble, taking all 10 wickets.
Hold on. Jim Laker had taken 10 wickets in an innings way before Kapil Dev had probably done it.
No, Jim Laker did not
अब
take
देखिए,
10
जब हम
wickets in an
Google करेंगे ना,
innings.
तो
Jim
दिखा
Laker
देंगे.
did not take 10 wickets in an innings. No. He could have taken 10 wickets in 2 innings, but definitely not.
You
मे भी क्या पता हो ऐसा कह नहीं
both
सकते.
of us know that he is absolutely wrong. Jim
So what do
Laker.
you-
I am happy
Laker-
with this hamper. Thank you so much. But your trivias का वो जो
हाँ, Jim Laker
authenticity is
and
very
Anil
good.
Kumble are the
It's very
only-
good.
are-
But good से इतना ही ऊपर है.
हाँ.
Best नहीं है. Like your other aspects में आप जितने
I
best
think
हो.
we are little better in terms of trivia. Jim Laker and Anil Kumble are the only two bowlers to have taken 10 wickets in a test innings.
नीलाद्री sir के पास.
No,
best
anyway, you have one
explanation
no.
है ये.
हाँ.
But
There
what a
is, if
beautiful
Niladri,
score.
what would you be? You know about the Loch Ness monster, no?
Yeah.
So imagine instead of the Loch Ness monster, you were living underwater as a mysterious creature. But once in a while, you would pop up and people would see you. What would they name you?
Loch Ness Pawn Star.
No,
हाँ, फिर?
cockless monster. I'm sorry, I had to.
Oh.
Will that? Are you going to try to hit me physically?
No, I was just checking.
Should I go for more insults?
No, but what do you think about the videos? Do you think it was?
See, number 9
nicely
में आपको वो वाला वीडियो
weaved?
डालना चाहिए था शायद जिसपे कपिल देव विकेट्स ले रहे
रहा है,
हैं.
हाँ.
शायद मेरे ख्याल से यही था. तो हाँ.
उतना ना वो बना नहीं उसका तुक, लेकिन मैं खुश हूँ. आप गुड से ऊपर हो,
लेकिन बेस्ट नहीं हो.
best नहीं.
अभी तो जीत चुका है. And I
लेकिन
accept
भाई,
also. And I
I
accept
don't
also. You are the
touch
right.
नीलाद्री sir.
You are the just winner. No. I will accept. I will accept that I did not deserve to win this episode.
This was a hard fought battle.
Huh. This is
and
the only time. There are two things you get to see only time here in this Normies episode. A is me not answering even one question correctly. B is the loser showing humility.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, as the two normies discuss about the past, it's time to move on to the future.
I am saying that I am feeling like Akbar नहीं होता था. ऐसे he would pat his tiger or whatever ऐसे करके बात करेंगे. So while I pat Niladri's cat, I would request and urge all of you to subscribe because अच्छा लगता है basically. और, I mean, yeah, it also helps us. आपको तो पता ही है सब्सक्रिप्शन के अलावा चलेगा नहीं चैनल.
Hope you enjoyed this episode of Normies. It was an absolute pleasure hosting this with Shayna and Rohan. I don't know what's going to happen next with channel, but feel free to give your suggestions as to what we need to react to, and we'll definitely think about it. Thank you so much.
Also इस वीडियो में आपको सिम्प नहीं बुलाया तो प्लीज
Thank you.
कमेंट जरूर कर देना.
Thank you so much.
Ciao. See ya.
कमी महसूस ना हो.
Who got the first point? मैंने.
या
minus point.
वो बहुत सही है. वो बहुत सही आएगा देखना, क्योंकि मैं पूरी खुशी से मैंने हाथ खड़ा किया था.
हाँ.
And I told you, yeah, minus one for you.
Hey, yeah, I do what I wanna. अपने सर्कल में कोई एक नहीं बेचारा. God the sauce जैसे खाना खजाना. मैं मिक्स में ही रहता हूँ पीना कोलाडा. Hey, yeah, हकूना मटाटा. पूरी ताकत बिना रह भी ना पाता. तू अपने बिना बेटा मौका नहीं पाता. तू वापस आता तूने टूका ही चाटा.